Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today I want to show you a list of what command with keyboard shortcuts using Microsoft Word. That is how to collect all keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word in a single table. Here in Microsoft Word there are hundreds and hundreds of commands using in Microsoft Word. Today I am going to show you guys a little trick that allows you to create word command listing every word command, every keyboard shortcut, a document you can save, even print out if you want to keep it in handy. So let's start. First of all, open Microsoft Word document and then click on View tab. Here click on Macros. Then click View Macros. Macro dialog box will appear on the screen. I want to cancel it. You can also use a shortcut Alt F8. By pressing Alt F8, the macro dialog box will also appear. Now here from this list, macros in, select word commands. And now here macro names, just type list command. Select list command from this list and just click run. Here list commands create a new document which lists current keyboard setting or all word documents. You guys select current keyboard setting and click on OK. A wonderful table is created along with all keyboard shortcuts using Microsoft Word. Now you can remember these shortcuts from this list. Dear guys, having watched my video on, so I hope this will help you guys as well. Thanks for watching. Thanks you guys. Click on bell and also click subscriber. Take care. Thanks for watching.